My dog has decided he's the boss today, and before I can get anything done, I have to take him to the dog park.
What if I showed you all the things I've told you? What if they help?
You done yet?
I'm gonna park. Alright, so we're going out. We're gonna go to Goodwill. There is a 3-2-1 sale going on. So certain tags are $3, $2, and $1. We're here. Parking lot sensor. Nada. Nothing. Kaput. Nothing.
So I ended up driving to another Goodwill.
He'll still end up in jail for being sodomized by a bunch of guys. But, you know, in the end, it doesn't really matter. You know, Sam's going to change his name to Bertha after he's in jail. Nice, aren't I?
$21.63 spent on hard goods with a donation of $5. Bogan Monfrodo Monopod. Yellow tags were $3. Brand new pair of Janowskis, originally $20. These are mine now. Clothing haul when I get home. All green tags were $1. This is a Raspberry Pi 2 Model B. Head Flex Point Radical. Wilson Pro Staff 6.6. When you see rackets, check for cracks. Popped strings don't really matter. CrossFit shoes. Weightlifting shoes. Logitech C920. Blue tags were $2. Free People long sleeve. Free People peplum. New We the Free tank. New Romantic something. Silence Noise dress. Golden State Warriors hoodie. Latte Gray track jacket. Bought this by mistake. Anthro. 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 Tommy color block. More Anthro. This thing. Bimba E Lola. Super dry polo. Spence long sleeve. Sparrow sweater. Urban peplum. This thing. And a shirt for me.
Yeah, you're like a soprano. You're only here for the highs and not the lows. Okay, fine, I lost control, but I'll get it back. You can find another road, just get off my path. You only call me up when I ain't down. You only think of us when I'm in town. Don't tell me what you need if you ain't need us. Don't care what you believe if you gon' leave us. I get high just to find a way around.